Hey guys, welcome to episode 3 of the Daily Joe officially. So I just wanted to get on here and kind of film a traditional or like an intro type, that way you guys kind of know. So this video is basically going to be like a behind the scenes of like how I shot my vlog intro, so you're going to see that later on in this video. I just want to give a huge shout out to David. Thank you so much for helping me with this. I'm gonna leave his information somewhere here, so that way you know, and also in the description box below, so check that out so you can hire him to do some of your things if you're interested. And yeah, basically a shout out to also my friend Sheila. She did help me so much throughout this shoot, so with her I probably would have struggled. I'll leave all that information down below for his information, but we're gonna continue to the intro.
Hi.
Hi. So right now we are basically on the set of the vlog, the intro vlog. So we're doing this. I didn't know. This is hard.
Hey guys.
Smile! I saw you! You're gonna steal some strawberries. Smile! Get a close up.
Of the makeup.
Oh yeah.
Just to live in here.
We're gonna start from this
Wow,
end.
that's really cool.
We'll start from this end.
I think he's fixing something.
I'm setting up something. Go ahead. Why is it not picking them up? Just shoot them. No.
Some technical difficulties.
I don't think we're having technical difficulties. I think we got this.
Oh, you got it? Oh, let's go.
We gotta figure it out first.
What are we figuring out? Let us know, David.
We're trying to get their faces. We're trying to get. Ooh.
Let me see. What is that?
What about if I crop into it though?
A flower?
When I'm editing?
You could probably crop
Let me
into
smell it.
But
I don't
it
want
may not look nice if you crop in too much. That's
Joanna's setting up.